What's going on, everyone? Javin here, and today we're going to be going over a trade I called out live for all of my clients on USDCAD. You can see that we took a 1 hour put right here and that our trade closed right here, and I went ahead and marked everything up on the chart. All the reasons why we were taking this trade. So you can see right here that we were in a very aggressive bullish trend. And if you don't know what bullish means in terms of trading, it just means price is moving upwards, and bearish means that price is moving down. You can see right here, after all of these aggressive pushes, that price starts consolidating very heavily. So this is just where orders are being accumulated. It just basically means that there's not enough buyers or sellers in the market at this current time to push price in a certain direction, and then we finally get that final push right here that I have marked up, which also creates the head to our head and shoulders, and then we get this drop, and then of course the right shoulder, and then price tanks. And you guys know me, I like to take the trade off the neckline retest of a head and shoulders, and we can see right before the neckline retest that we also get this imbalance right here. And for everyone that doesn't know, an imbalance is simply when you have one candle separating two areas of consolidation. So you can see how all of this price action up here is separated from all of this price action over here by this one candle. And a good rule of thumb is if you see something like that, just wait for price to hit roughly around the 50% mark of this candle. So wherever the middle of this candle is, you can even eyeball it, but if you really wanted to get really precise, you can throw a Fibonacci tool on there and just mark a line at the 50% level, and we can see that price does hit the 50% right here. Let me get this out of the way. With this wick, you can see how price came right into the 50%, and that's where we took our trade as soon as that 50% got hit. Price gives us a little tiny push down before coming up and then tanking the way that we were looking for. So there was a lot of things going into this trade, and it might seem complicated if you're new, but once you understand the fundamentals of trading and creating your own checklist for why you should or shouldn't enter a trade, you'll be able to look at things like this and analyze all of it within 30 seconds. So if you're new and you think this is really confusing, just remember that everyone starts somewhere. You don't go to the gym your first day and bench press 400 pounds. It takes a long time to build up that skill and strength and technique to do that. And trading's no different. You're not just gonna open up an account, throw a couple $100s in there and make 10,000 overnight. You have to build the skill, and everyone starts somewhere. So don't get discouraged if you don't understand what a lot of this means. And if you guys have any questions over anything that we talked about in this video, just leave a comment below and I'll get back with you as soon as possible.